Ooh, another package. What is this?
I didn't order anything.
Yep, not even myself. Being curious. Happy is also curious. Let's see. Oh, what do we have here? Fa la 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 la. Let's see what we have here. Cuteness overload. Sonos Ray. This is the smallest soundbar from Sonos, the cheapest one as well. 350 Canadian dollars MSRP. I would say this is a gateway drug to get into Sonos. So we'll do this and this. Sure to do this. Wow, this is really cute. As you can see, that Sonos logo and my cousin Ray Ray. You can see the connectors at the back. This is to pair. This is for the power, optical, so no HDMI here, and RJ45. This thing is so cute, it's quite mystical, really. Don't tell me this is not a photo op. So what do I have to do next? You take this box out of the Ray box, take the power cable out, put aside the optical cable for later, plug in the power cable. Make sure it's snug so there's no gap here. You see that blinking white? Now Sonos is ready to be synchronized to your app. Press the infinity sign from the back and you will see the blinking orange at the front of your Sonos Ray. Open Sonos app and Sonos Ray will pop up on the screen. Click add. Sonos would like to send you a notification. I prefer it. You don't have to do that. And then press continue. I only allow once to see where my equipment is. Press continue once more time. Like to access the microphone? Yes. And it's getting Ray ready. Now the Ray will chime with an audio pin and do the synchronization. You click continue. You can see the app is adding Ray to the system. Blinking green and white. Now the Sonos app asks you where you want to locate this Ray. I'm just gonna click new location here. And I'll customize the name as Sonos Ray. Click create. Click continue one more time. And then it tells you that there's a firmware update. Of course, you want to update the firmware. And while it's updating the firmware, it's blinking white and orange one more time. And then when you're done, we can do the true play tuning. That's the progress bar. It shows downloading and applying new software. You just have to wait. Finally, it's done. It says that Ray has been added. Then you click done over here. And then if you need to connect it to TV, you just click connect TV and follow the step-by-step instructions. Of course, then you have to turn on the TV, connect the optical cable, click continue. It will check the connection. When connected to the TV, it says that it is connected to the TV and you're done. When you're done all that, go to this sunshine setting icon, press that. And then you will see this on your screen. Click system and you click Ray because you want to set that up. And then you can connect to sub, or you can connect to surround system, just like using Play One as your surround sound and the Sonos sub as your Sonos sub. I highly recommend you to use TruePlay to calibrate the sound in your room, but that's an option, not a must. But most importantly, how's the sound? The sound is actually pretty good, especially for a $350 unit. And not only it's a $350 soundbar, it is a gateway to your Sonos ecosystem. Or you can just add that soundbar perhaps to your tertiary system, or in your bedroom when you don't want to spend too much money on a Sonos system itself. Yet you can get all the benefits of a Sonos system. I highly recommend to add Sonos sub to the Ray, but perhaps the $900 sub is kind of too much for a $350 soundbar. I heard, I don't know whether it's true or not, that Sonos may be coming up with a cheaper solution, a more affordable solution for the subwoofer. In the meantime, I'm going to use my Sonos sub too. So tell me what you think about the Sonos Ray in the comments down below. And don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget, this is the most important part, to click the bell notifications so you'll always be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.